my Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, so we're back. Next day, just sold the air compressor. It is gone good. No longer got the truck, anything like that. So we're left with the 33 gallons. Let me put some respect on your name. So we're left with the 33 gallon. Probably just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna move like two of these swings out the way. Go from there and then I'm gonna tuck it back off on the spot. That should be enough room. Maybe I just move two of them up to the top shelf. These swingers, y'all rubbing off on me, man. I'm calling them fucking swingers like y'all. They swingers, dog. So these swingers have been sold. You know what I'm saying? They go into their new home real soon, so they should be out the way here pretty soon. And then two of these swingers can move up there, and then from there I can put the little thing over here. A lot of people was probably asking, speculating, wondering, oh, is he gonna put the swingers on the truck? I thought about it. I really did. But it's not the right car to me. So, I don't know. Will they be set for another day? Will they just be a backup for the Caprice? I don't know. I'll tune in and find out. Tune in and find out. I think that's probably what I'm going to be leaning towards. Like when I want to switch it up on the box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? I can just change over to my swingers and bolt up and do it like that. I don't think I need to buy a whole nother car. I don't think I need to buy a whole nother car because I have a set of rims. So, but y'all know me, dog. You know how I get down. It happens like that sometimes. So, today, what we're gonna be doing? Let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, so we back with the box, man. Fixing these windows, man, just so the windows can roll it up and down. So I was like, we might want to hit fuck around and hit a drive-through on that bitch ass. Can't do that. Shit don't go up and down. That's probably the most embarrassing shit. Windows don't go up and down. You gotta open the door. Nah, nigga, not in shit. Alright, so what I did, shout out to Sprayway, like I said one more time. He was like, this pretty much goes in the seal. That explains what that hole there was for. So that just clips off in there, and then you just push it back off in the door, and then put it down off in there, and then push it back off into there, and then go up and down. So now the metal part is in there. You can't even see it. That's why I wasn't so sure about it. So yeah, that metal piece is in there. It's in the track. Then go up and down. I'm supposed to. Damn, let's crack my nail switch. It'll be alright. Alright, so now I'll get over to this other door. It do what it do. I also need to go ahead and try to find those door holders. Same thing I got for the C10, just need for the Caprice, whatever that's supposed to be. Alright, let me get this one bust down and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, so as you can see, I'm busting down. This is on the second one. It was there pretty much intact, especially as far as the metal piece being in there. So had we just kind of kept going around, eventually we would have found out where it went. So, that's tipped. If you do have these pieces, just pay attention how they go back, how they come apart, and go back together, and then that's half the battle. Alright, y'all, so we back. What we get into now? I forgot. Oh, yeah. So this here is a C10, right? Yes, this is the same C10. I had a couple people ask, is that the same C10 that was black with the $50 paint job? Yes, same truck, repainted, sprayed by my boy Cortez. Resto mods. Shout out to Cortez. Alright. So I've been doing some research. I know a lot of people were talking about, oh man, you should drop it, or oh, you should do bigger tires. My thought process is, as always, spend as less money as possible. So the cheaper way, being that we have some good decent tires on here now, the fly. So the most logical thing to do would be to drop it. I've been doing some research because, like, I ain't really into the. I have a C10. I just didn't dig deep off into them. So what I've seen is that a lot of people, they put their lowering shackles or stuff like that. Get a measurement from the ground. So we're sitting right at about you guys can see that there's about 30. Hold on. Let me straighten it out. It's kind of kinked. Cause I had to grab the fucked up tape measure, of course. So it's about 32 and a half, 33 inches off the ground. In the front, I'm gonna see if I can find a better tape measure, but it's just to give us a rough estimate where we would be at. God damn it. Piece of shit ass tape measure. This is why you get one every time you can. So that bitch bend is all over. It ain't even no good no more. Hold on. Alright, we're back. Much better now. Got a real tape measure. This one is actually from the same place, probably hard to fake. So that's about 32 and a quarter. About 32 and a quarter in the front, and then in the back, we're about the same. It looked like about 32. So in essence, if we drop it, I think the axle flip I was doing the research on said it drops it to like 5 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will probably be like right at 27 inches, which will probably put us right where we want to be. Alright, so we're back. So yeah, basically what like I was saying, before Prop pulled up, we got, let's see, what was that? I think I measured it in the back. I'm just going to go back and do it again. So yeah, we roughly 32. So if we were to lose 5 to 6 inches, that would bring us down to about 27, which would about put us where we want to be. Now, I'm not 100% sure that I want to do the axle flip. I do think it would be good content for the channel. I mean, honestly, I'm fine with the car or the truck the way that it is. But I know that a lot of people would probably like to see the axle flip happen. So I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna try to make something happen. Try to make something happen, and we'll go from there. No promises on a timeline or how long it's gonna take or nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you want to make it happen a little bit quicker, there is a axle flip kit. I think I seen one on eBay for like 90 bucks, something like that. I think I've seen a whole lowering kit for the truck for like 600 or something. So if you want to do that or contribute to that, PayPal, Cash App is $LSCR254. Put the little description shit, lowering the C10, or we'll make it happen quicker. It'll happen, just depending upon how quick it happens. Then yeah. So, but like I said, I personally, I'm not in a rush because, like I said, the truck looks good. You know what I'm saying? Like, here, I'm gonna put a picture right here. Boom! Look at this. Look at this. You see this? This is beautiful. This is my truck. It done came a long way. Let me find an old picture. Boom! Yeah. Old busted, new hotness. So this truck done already came a long way. So I'm not really just like, oh my God, I gotta get done. My priority more is with the colors. So yeah, my priority is with the colors. Lowering the C10, back seat, very back seat, like back of the bus type shit. So yeah, I think that's where we gonna leave that at, man. Like I said, if y'all wanna contribute, donate to it or whatever, PayPal is in the description box. Cash App is $LSCR254, and you can contribute to the cause, the meeting or whatever. So, and we'll put that money towards the flip kit, because I do want to lower it. I do want to lower it. Like I said, it's just not priority right now. And like I said, it honestly, man, it doesn't look bad the way it is. Is it the way that you are used to seeing C10s with 22s? No. Are you used to seeing them a little bit lower? Yes. Does it look bad overall? No. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Maybe I just leave it like that. We'll see. I'm gonna see how much y'all rock it for and support. So, hit that PayPal, hit that PayPal, hit that Cash App, man. We can see if we can make this happen or not. Like I said, she look good the way she is. Trying to think what else. But yeah, I think that's about it. The rest of the shit I was gonna show y'all, man, it done got dark, man. So we'll have to tune back in tomorrow. I don't think it was anything. Oh yeah. I mean, it was basically just saying that we're pretty much complete. C10 is pretty much complete, running, driving. Same thing with a box Chevy. You know, we're doing little odds and ends here, putting the final pieces, cosmetic together. So like I said, my focus is on the Cutlass. Trying to get that together, try to put together some chess moves so that I can move forward and go ahead and get that done. So yeah, so just stay tuned, man. Watch videos and yeah. Alright, man, it's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.